This is Ellie, a kind and curious squirrel who loves shiny things, and sometimes forgets her promises. One bright morning, Ellie finds a glowing acorn deep in the woods. "A wish acorn," she squeaks. "I've only heard stories." She races home to tell her best friend, Toby the turtle. "Don't tell anyone," he whispers. "Promise." Ellie nods. "Cross my heart." But later that day, Ellie whispers it to Mia the mouse, then Benny the bird, then everyone. By sunset, a crowd gathers under the oak. "Where's the glowing acorn?" asks a chipmunk. Ellie hides it behind her back, feeling guilty. Suddenly, the wind howls. The old oak tree glows with golden light. A promise broken weakens the forest, a deep voice echoes. The promise tree, ancient and wise, awakens. Its branches droop. When truth fades, magic fades too. Ellie shivers. "I didn't mean to. I just got excited," she whispers. The glowing acorn dims in her paw. The forest loses color. Leaves turn gray. Birds stop singing. Toby looks hurt. "You promised me, Ellie." Ellie lowers her head. "I messed up." She hugs Toby. "Can I fix it?" The promise tree stirs. "Only if the promise is made and kept." Ellie stands tall. "I promise. No more secrets. I'll make it right." She visits each friend, one by one. "I broke a promise. I'm sorry," she says. "Will you forgive me?" Each friend nods. The forest warms. Color returns, leaf by leaf. The acorn glows again in Ellie's paw. She places the acorn at the base of the tree. "Some things are too special to keep just for myself," she says softly. The tree blossoms. Vibrant pink and gold leaves swirl around. "A kept promise is stronger than magic," the voice booms. Toby smiles. "You did it, Ellie. You kept your word." That night, the stars shine brighter than ever. Ellie curls up in her nest, heart light and warm. And from that day on, Ellie became the squirrel who always kept her promises, even the tiny ones. Because in Willowmere Forest, every promise matters. Especially the ones you make to your friends.